brings me again one more time for a tornado warning. This one is like
that tree done broke all the lines down. Trees on top of houses. Look at that. Out to move a tree out the way, and he locked himself out the car. I had to let him get a hammer to bust his window out. Look at this, y'all. This wind came Welcome back to the Southside garage. Today we had a big old storm came through, knocked down a whole lot of trees, and it broke a lot of telephone poles. So now I'm out of electric. They told me electric ain't coming back on to Friday. Today's Tuesday. I'm supposed to be posting a video tonight, so it ain't gonna be happening. The storm came through, blew the whole top of this tree off. It landed way down there and knocked down the power lines. It knocked this pole sideways. Down here, we got a big old tree laying on the lines, and there's a telephone pole smacked on the ground. Whole telephone pole sitting on the ground. But they got that red caution tape right there because the power lines is hanging on the ground right now. Sucks, I'm going to be here all week. I can't zoom in, but way down the end of the alley over there, there's a lot of trees on top of lines and tore up down that way too. Pretty wild around here this morning. Well, I went to the store and talked to the guy that I work on houses for. I go over there and I want to leave. I want to open up the door. It's so pitch dark. It looked like it was nighttime. The wind picked up so fast and raining so hard. It looked like I just stepped out the door into a tornado. It was pretty wild. Then when I left the store, there's trees, lines, there's stuff laying everywhere. Down here, like 3 blocks down, there's a house. It blew plumb off the foundation. It's leaning and caving in where the wind knocked it off. Pretty wild around here this morning. But today's Tuesday. I'm supposed to be posting a video tonight, and I ain't able to put out a video because I ain't got no power, and they told me it ain't coming back on to Friday. I ain't gonna show you much of the car, but you see it behind me. Y'all can see the video when I posted it this week. But I just want to get on here and let y'all know what's going on. I ain't able to post it on Tuesday. They talking about around Friday it's supposed to come back on. So if when the electric comes back on, I'm gonna be posting this video. Alright, y'all. Can walk down this way and show y'all what's going on since yesterday. Look at all the debris everywhere. Look at the power line broken off right there. Laying it down. These people ain't got electric. Hit that old man's garage, tore it up. And this is why I ain't got no power, y'all. That's the part of that walnut tree way up back here behind my garage. Power lines hanging. It's terrible. Look at that telephone pole, boy. Cable lines and stuff hanging. That's crazy. Alright, y'all, so today is Wednesday. Yesterday it was pretty crazy. There's trees down everywhere. I'm gonna show y'all this house on camera. This house is leaning. Oh, they got the power company out here. Knock that thing come off the foundation. About to fall down in these trees. Telephone poles. This is the house up there. Ripped the half of the roof off. Down over here. Big old tree leaning right here, laying down. Look at this shit, y'all. Take a look. Half of that house's roof is missing. Look, the roof is missing off of this building right here. Look at that, tore the whole roof off this building. Busted the bricks off. Pretty wild yesterday. And that was right here. House right here. Raising. Look at this big old tree back here. It's my grandma and grandpa's old house. Now look at that tree. That tree is done for. Alright, y'all, this is going to be the end of this video. I hope this be the last video that y'all can ever see of a tornado coming through, ripping up my town. I'm glad everybody made it. Nobody got hurt. If y'all can hit that like, comment, and subscribe, it helped me out. So till then, I will catch you on the next one. Peace.